It seems like a simple equation. Fruit has sugars, therefore fruit contains carbs. So you might think that all fruit must be avoided on a keto diet. Luckily for fruit lovers, it's not quite as cut and dry. Yes, many fruits should be avoided on a low-carb diet, but some are okay in moderation. Let's take a look at which fruits can be enjoyed as part of a keto diet and which threaten to avoid your hard-earned ketosis. Keto-friendly fruits can be eaten fresh and raw or used in recipes. Let's look at the fruits that are best to choose on keto. While some fruits contain enough carbs that even one piece will constitute your entire carb intake for the day, some contain a bit less sugar. If you're going to reach for fruit, these are the fruits to go for. Berries. Strawberries, blackberries, and raspberries are a relatively low-sugar, tasty fruit. Each one contains about 5.68, 4.9, and 5.44 net carbs, respectively, per about 3/4 cup serving. Berries are packed with nutrition. They're packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, and some studies link berries to reducing inflammation, lowering cholesterol levels, and reducing heart disease. Juiced red raspberries can be turned into raspberry lemon popsicles or a keto raspberry pavlova. In the height of strawberry season, try whipping up keto strawberry shortcakes or a jar of strawberry chia seed jam. Starfruit. Starfruit is a delightful tropical fruit that is a great addition to a keto diet. One medium starfruit contains 3.93 net carbs. They're so tasty with a delightful crunchy texture that falls somewhere between an apple and a grape, with a nice sweet and sour flavor. Starfruit is high in fiber and vitamin C and boasts a number of other health benefits. When it's sliced, it also has a pretty star shape that looks lovely on a salad. Avocados. Avocados are a keto superfood thanks to their high fat, low protein, and low carb content. Convenient and satisfying, avocados are one of the best snack options for anyone following a low carb diet. Add to that their high levels of healthy monounsaturated fat, impressive amounts of potassium, more than bananas, and the fact that they can dramatically increase the quantity of fat-soluble antioxidants you can absorb from plant foods, and you've basically got the perfect keto fruit. With just 1.84 grams of net carbs per half an avocado, enjoy them freely. Avocados, one of our favorite keto foods, can be enjoyed sweet, churned into keto ice cream, or savory in a side of guacamole or a taco salad. Tomatoes. While many cuisines treat tomatoes as vegetables, they are indeed fruit. While they do have many valuable nutrients and low net carbs, about 2.69 grams per one small vine tomato, they can really add up. Be especially careful when cooking with them, as they are mostly water and can cook down into a higher carbohydrate concentrate. Melons. Melons do seem on the sweeter end of the spectrum, but many melons actually contain a surprisingly low amount of carbs. Per 100 grams, watermelon contains 7.15 grams net carbs. Cantaloupe weighs in at 7.9 grams. Honeydew's got 8.3 grams. As with other fruits, keep an eye on how much you consume. It's easy to overdo it, especially if you're craving sugar. Always use a kitchen scale to measure the weight of your serving and double-check the net carb content. Olives. Savory and briny olives aren't what first come to mind when you think fruit, but they're one of the most keto-friendly fruits out there. There are just 3.1 net carbs in about 25 black olives, making them a great choice for a snack when you're craving something rich and salty. Other common fruits like apples, bananas, grapes, peaches, kiwi, and oranges really are best to stay away from on keto. For a full list of fruits to choose and which to say no thanks to, be sure to read the Ruled Me article, Best Low Carb Fruits and Which to Avoid. And remember, nutritionally speaking, you're not really missing out on anything if you omit fruit from your diet. On keto, you're consuming plenty of veggies, and the minerals, fiber, and vitamins vegetables provide make fruit unnecessary. But when the urge for a nice piece of fruit arises, follow our guide and you won't make a misstep. Once you've identified your favorite keto-friendly fruits, explore Ruled Me's extensive recipe database for fun fruit recipes to enjoy.